Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking the original sentence and the time it describes. This matters for tense shifts. Once done, pick a reporting verb that matches tone and force, say for neutral, explain for detail. Make sure to decide if backshift is needed. Present shifts to past, past often shifts to past perfect for clarity. Use short examples aloud as you work. This trains your ear and reveals subtle meaning changes, so you quickly spot necessary adjustments and avoid common errors. You now transform the clause structure while preserving meaning. Do the how and why as you go. Convert a direct quote into a that clause for statements or into to infinitive forms for commands so the sentence reads smoothly. Make sure to update pronouns and time words. This keeps perspective correct. For questions, use if or whether for yes/no, and maintain the question word for WH forms. Then change word order to normal declarative sequencing, so the grammar fits reported speech. You finish by proofreading the whole passage, checking tense consistency and the logical sequence of events. Read the reported sentences aloud. This reveals awkward rhythm or meaning loss and helps you smooth transitions. If something sounds ambiguous, make sure to add a brief clarifying phrase or restructure the clause rather than rely on reader inference. Troubleshooting tip: when meanings still clash, compare with the original sentence word for word. That pinpoints the exact element that needs rephrasing or a stronger reporting verb to restore clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.